It's grilling season, and we have an easy weeknight meal that you can do all on the grill. Come on, let's get started.
Todo queda sabroso.
So today we're making an achiote rub chicken along with some grilled Yukon Gold potatoes and green zucchini. One of the main seasonings in this chicken is achiote. Achiote is from the annatto seed, and you can find them different ways. You can purchase the whole seed that you can ground in a mortar and pestle, but it also comes as a paste and as a powder. Either one of these will work great. Now I use a mortar and pestle to grind up some cumin and coriander, but you can use the already pre-ground product, just make sure it's fresh. And then to this mortar and pestle, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the achiote powder. To that, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of salt, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of oregano, a half teaspoon of rubbed sage. I love sage with pork and chicken, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And we're just going to mix this together so that everything is evenly incorporated. And that achiote is going to give that chicken that beautiful, rich, dark, reddish, orange color. Okay, so here we have our chicken breasts. Dot them with a little bit of oil. Then we're going to take our achiote rub, and we're going to rub it on that chicken breast. And as you can see, that beautiful color. I'm going to do this on both sides. And then you'll definitely have some of this spice left over you can use for other dishes. Okay, then we're going to refrigerate this at least 1 hour. I like to do about 4 hours uncovered in the refrigerator so that the spices and the salt, the achiote, can really do its thing and flavor this chicken. Okay, we have some Yukon Gold potatoes here. These are mini Yukon Golds, and I picked these because I could just split them in half and they'll fit nicely on the grill. And I already par cooked it, meaning I put it in salted boiling water for about 5 minutes. That way it doesn't take too much time on the grill. And then we're just going to cut them in half. Then we're going to hit it with a little bit of oil, some kosher salt, some black pepper, a little bit of garlic powder. I'm also adding some cotija cheese, as well as some rough chopped cilantro. And we're just going to toss that. And these are ready for our grill. Okay, so we have some green zucchini here that I'm simply going to slice lengthwise in half. So I'm going to trim the ends and then just split them lengthwise. This way it sits perfectly on the grill, getting those nice grill marks. And then all I'm going to do is very simple, hit it with a little bit of neutral oil, a little bit of salt, a little garlic powder, some cracked black pepper. Okay, so here we have our achiote chicken with the grilled Yukon Gold potatoes, grilled zucchini. I have some ají verde, you already know, Peruvian green sauce. Just drizzle that over that chicken. And there you have it. a grilled achiote chicken, grilled Yukon Gold potatoes, and zucchini squash. Sabroso.
Todo queda sabroso.